Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a sales pipeline with HubSpot easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open HubSpot and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sales dashboard. Locate the pipelines section in the menu. Click on the pipelines option to view your existing pipelines. To create a new pipeline, select the Create Pipeline button. Give your new pipeline a descriptive name. Choose the deal stages that you want to include. You can customize each stage by clicking on it. Set the properties that you want to track for each stage. Define the win probability for each stage to better estimate your forecasts. Click Save when you've completed the pipeline setup. Next, you can start adding deals to your new pipeline. To add a deal, click on the Add Deal button. Fill in the deal details, such as the deal name, amount, and close date. Select the appropriate pipeline and deal stage from the drop-down menus. Click Save to add the deal to your pipeline. Monitor the progress of each deal as they move through the stages. Use the reporting tools within HubSpot to analyze your pipeline performance. This will help you identify trends and areas for improvement. Frequent adjustments may be necessary as your sales process evolves. Stay consistent with updating your pipeline regularly for optimum results. You are now set up to effectively manage your sales pipeline in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.